Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best hard arm chair is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of outdoor furniture you can own, offering unparalleled comfort and stability for all your relaxation needs, whether you're camping, enjoying a backyard barbecue, or simply unwinding by the beach. This chair is designed to provide a sturdy and reliable seating solution that can withstand various outdoor conditions, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone who loves spending time outdoors and values both comfort and durability in their portable seating options. Number 5. KingCamp Folding Camping Chair. Introducing the KingCamp Folding Camping Chair, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. This heavy-duty chair is designed for maximum comfort and portability. This compact director's chair is an excellent choice for your next camping trip. It provides fold-out seating that supports an impressive weight of up to 396 pounds. Experience superior comfort with its padded seat, back, and armrests. It elevates your sitting experience, making every outdoor moment more enjoyable and relaxing. Folds up in seconds for effortless portability. You can easily bring this lightweight chair with you wherever your adventures take you. It features a convenient fold-away side table with a drink holder for easy beverage access. Plus, side storage pockets keep your small items like phones and wallets within reach. This chair is perfect for camping trips, sporting events, or any outdoor activity. Its thoughtful design ensures comfort and convenience on the go. What we like. This chair offers exceptional weight capacity and plush padding for ultimate comfort. If you prioritize a sturdy and comfortable seating experience with convenient features like a side table, this is a fantastic choice for extended relaxation at events or campsites. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and comfortable, with a wide seat and back support. It folds up easily for storage and transport, and the carrying bag is a nice bonus. The armrests are padded and provide good support, making it easy to get in and out of the chair. Number 4. Heavy-duty compact camping folding mesh chair with side table. Tired of bulky camping gear? This chair packs down small, like a suitcase, and features a convenient carry handle, making it easy to transport anywhere. Built to last with a sturdy steel frame, this chair supports up to 264 pounds. The breathable mesh back and durable Oxford fabric ensure comfort, even on long outings. Enjoy a deep, wide seat with padded armrests for maximum comfort. Plus, a convenient side table with a cup holder keeps your drinks and snacks within easy reach. Don't worry about sinking in soft ground. Its U-shaped legs are designed to prevent sinking in sand or soil, and anti-slip rubber feet provide a firm, stable base. Setting up is a breeze. This chair opens and closes in seconds, so you can start relaxing almost immediately. Instructions are included for a quick start. Whether you're camping, at the beach, or enjoying your backyard, this chair is your perfect companion. It's ideal for a wide range of outdoor activities and travel. What we like. Experience superior ventilation and stability on any terrain with its breathable mesh and anti-sinking legs. If you often find yourself on soft ground like sand or grass, or if you value long-term product assurance with a lifetime warranty, this chair is designed for you. What people say. This chair is very sturdy and comfortable, perfect for camping or backyard use. The folding mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, making it convenient to store and transport. The armrests are well padded and provide good support, allowing for extended periods of sitting without discomfort. Number 3. XGEAR Portable Camping Chair. Experience unparalleled stability with its robust steel frame, designed to support up to 350 pounds. Its corrosion-resistant finish ensures it stays strong and rust-free, no matter the adventure. Sink into luxurious comfort with its smooth, padded seat and backrest. The breathable yet durable fabric allows you to relax for hours without any discomfort. Keep everything you need close at hand. It features built-in cup holders and a handy mesh pocket, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. Setting it up is a breeze, just unfold and you're ready to relax. It collapses easily into a compact size and comes with a carrying bag, making transport simple. Perfect for any outdoor activity, from camping to sporting events. It provides the ultimate blend of comfort, support, and convenience for every adventurer. What we like. Enjoy robust support and luxurious comfort with its sturdy frame and padded seating. If you're looking for a chair that offers both a premium feel with hard armrests and reliable strength for various outdoor activities, this option delivers. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and comfortable, with a wide seat and good back support. It folds up easily and is lightweight, making it convenient to carry and store. The armrests are a nice addition, providing a comfortable place to rest your arms. Number 2. Low Ultralight Compact Folding Chair, Blue. Experience the freedom of ultralight travel with our compact folding chair. Its low-profile design makes it lighter and more stable, perfect for any adventure. Don't let its weight fool you. This chair is built with a durable aerospace-grade aluminum frame and strong ripstop fabric, supporting up to 264 pounds while weighing only 1.9 pounds. When it's time to move, it packs down small enough to fit easily into your backpack or travel gear. It even comes with its own carry bag for convenience. Setting up is a breeze thanks to its simple, tool-free shock cord frame. You'll be relaxing in no time, ready for your next activity. Stay cool and comfortable even on warm days. Mesh panels promote airflow, and a handy side pocket keeps your essentials within reach. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying the beach, this chair is your perfect companion. It's designed for all your outdoor activities. Enjoy peace of mind with its anti-slip feet and a securing strap that keeps the frame stable during use. Always use on flat, stable surfaces for best results. What we like. This chair redefines portability with its ultralight, low-profile design, perfect for minimalist packing. If you are an avid backpacker or hiker who needs to save every ounce and inch of space without sacrificing essential comfort, this is your ideal companion. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and comfortable. It folds up easily and is lightweight, making it great for transport. The armrests are a nice addition and provide good support. Number 1. KingCamp Oversized Padded Camping Chair. Tired of chairs that wobble and break? Ours is built with a robust steel frame and reinforced bracing, confidently supporting up to 500 pounds. Enjoy peace of mind with its durable, all-season design. Experience true relaxation with our extra-wide seating and fully padded backrest. Designed for ultimate comfort, it feels like a sofa in the great outdoors. Say goodbye to feeling cramped. Keep your refreshments chilled and essentials close at hand. It features a convenient built-in cooler, a spacious cup holder, and a side pocket for your phone or snacks. Set up and pack away in seconds, no tools required. Its foldable design and included carry bag with a shoulder strap make transport a breeze. Perfect for any outdoor adventure, from camping to backyard lounging. The durable, tear-resistant fabric is easy to clean, ensuring it remains your favorite seat for years to come. What we like. Indulge in spacious comfort and convenient cooling with its extra-wide seat and integrated cooler. If you're a larger individual or simply crave maximum space and the ability to keep your beverages chilled right by your side, this chair offers unparalleled relaxation. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and comfortable, even for extended periods. It folds up easily and is quite compact for storage. The armrests are a nice addition, providing extra support. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.